Well, before we dive into the unboxing of memorabilia, I would like to share you what is my setup during the off-white Jordan 5. And as you can see, you got uh, sold out, sold out, sold out, and sold out. So we took an else and this drop. Boo! I completely forgot about this pair of shoes from Adidas, and as you can see right here, they haven't opened yet. And this one was shipped dated 10/3 October 3. So it's almost November now. It's almost end of the month. It's been sitting here. Completely forgot those. And since we knew already, you knew already that Lakers is the champion of 2020 NBA, and we got some memorabilia here. Take them out of the box. Let's go. Okay, we got some Yeezy Boost 350 Adidas. And what is the size? Ooh, 5.5, good size, base size. So we have here Yeezy Boost 350 V2, Azrael. So what else we have here? Okay. And LeBron. Okay. So we got some box 3 items here. 3 items here. And let's start with the 350 boost. Just like what I've said, I completely forgot this one. I don't know, can't remember the colorway. Oh, okay. Once in a while I got lucky when I bought something on adidas.com, because I also had a good account in there. So when I enter the raffle, sometimes I win, sometimes I lose, and mostly I'm aiming for the base size, which is the money size that they say. You can see right here, the top is not bad colorway though. I don't have UC in my collection. I don't know, it's just like, should I say it's just because too much? I know I could afford buying pair of sneaker, but I would say I'm not that too much into a hype beast. So it's just me. I'm still. I mean, I wanted to have one of those 350 B2, but I would love to hold those triple black with some red strike or something right here, the OG colorway. That's it. If I could only have one pair of Yeezy, that's the only one that I'm gonna have. Okay, so money size, probably 20 to 30% return of investment on this one. I'm gonna sit a little bit because it happens always, and it's almost time for Christmas, so it's gonna be a good one. All right. Since it's Lakers championship and LeBron has been dominating every in and outs of the court. Okay, so this one, bought this one couple months ago, same item but for retail. But when I received them, the price dipped like, I don't know, they don't want, some people don't like it. But since it's Lakers won and LeBron another championship, that's why I decided to get me this one, just in case in the near future it might gonna go up again. And I got this from StockX. So as you can see right here, Nike LeBron MVP, and this is the size 10. Okay, so you know I'm 10 and a half, right? But the price of 10 and a half is much more expensive than the size 10. So I went for a lower, much more It's more cheaper. And the retail on this one is 200. You can see right there, 200 retail. We got them on StockX for 179, including fish and shipping. But actually, the purchase price is 150. The cost of sales tax, processing fees, shipping fees, which is 13 bucks for shipping. Wow. But anyway, I'm still happy because the one that I got before is 10.5 and I paid for retail. I had to return it. I was wondering if I could resell it, but no. But now this one's gonna be on the collection. MVP, LeBron MVP. That's why I got this one. It's just because for the collection and not for just wear it. Like, especially, you know me, I didn't buy it for retail, so still happy. Got them authenticated from StockX. Got them very cheap, very cheaper than the retail. Okay, so it's a good one that I have them for the collection, especially another championship MVP. Is it MVP on this 2020? I'm not sure. Please leave a comment down below. But MVP. Okay, LeBron. So that's about it. It is a good one. I have this one in the collection since I don't have one. It is will be the second pair of sneaker that will be in the collection from LeBron, because I got the other one, which is the Philippines red, should I say Philippines red carpet. They already had a red carpet before, but what do you think on this one? Okay, since we're already talking about memorabilia and Lakers MVP and Lakers championship. Okay, so how do you open this one? There you go. Ooh. A memorabilia from Lakers. Says certificate authenticity, Los Angeles commemorate two-tone coin, 2020 NBA championship. This two-tone commemorative coin is minted of fine silver plate and selectively plated with 24K gold highlight. Ooh, 24K gold. Limited edition 2020, and it is 0050. So I got the first 50. Okay, maybe I got lucky more is much like it, the lower tens, but hey, there you go. Some of the LeBron or Lakers fans would love to have them. Maybe memorabilia, cards, shirt, everything went shoot up like a lot of sales when the NBA champion Lakers happened. So I went in for this one. It is just for a memorabilia. Also commemorative two-tone coin and 24K. So 24K gold cards. Okay. What do you think about this one? Maybe gonna be in the collection. It is one of the number 50s. Okay, so what do you think on this NBA championship of Lakers? So what did you have on the collection? And also I'm still waiting for the other one that I'm kind of a little bit taking longer. So that one is the NBA cards. So I'm waiting for them to arrive. Been taking so long. I was gonna supposed to put them together in one video, but it's taking so long. But anyway, what do you think on this vlog today, and what do you think on the memorabilia? What do you have a memorabilia for the NBA championship of Lakers with LeBron? So what do you think? I would like to hear your thoughts. So with that being said, thank you for watching. Please hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.